Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has given nod to an open inquiry by the Anti-Corruption Bureau into the irrigation scam, and this move by the Maharashtra government could spell trouble for the former Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar.
हमने तो बार-बार बताया कि उसके बारे में क्या दिया है, अप्रूवल दिला। ठीक है ना, उन्होंने तो बताया था चुनाव के पहले, वैसा तो उनका चलेगा ही।
Well, Megha is joining us on the story.
It's extremely significant in the sense that this would be seen perhaps as one of the first toughest action taken by the Fadnavis-led government of the Shiv Sena and the BJP here in Maharashtra. All this while, of course, there were speculations whether the BJP will go tough on the NCP or not. And considering for the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Fadnavis, he is one of those people who had spearheaded this campaign, irrigation, the entire scam, trying to expose it, and of course spearheaded a campaign against the then government and the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Ajit Pawar, the Irrigation Minister, Mr. Sunil Tatkare, all of them in a personal capacity as well. And here comes the decision, perhaps the first significant decision by this government to prosecute people allegedly involved in the irrigation scam. Now here is a bit of ambiguity because we've been trying to get a clarification from the Chief Minister's office whether he has also given a clear go-ahead to the ACB on the files pertaining to individuals like Mr. Ajit Pawar and Sunil Tatkare. The ACB had sought permissions in fact, for going ahead against these people, both Mr. Ajit Pawar and Sunil Tatkare. They had said that they had found prima facie evidence against these two leaders of the NCP, and hence they sought the permission of the government to go ahead and prosecute them. But right now what we are hearing from Nagpur, where the assembly is on, is that the permission has been given to conduct an open inquiry into the irrigation scam.